Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use another free tool to find search phrases that you can work with. Now, there are other companies that have these have keyword tools, but most of them are paid. I personally use WordStream, but then I also use Moz. However, for Moz, I think we pay around like $1,000 a month because you also use it for our clients, our customers who we do SEO for, because they do provide other benefits. And I'm not 100% sure if you can use their keyword tool without having a paid subscription, but I know for sure that WordStream you can. So let me take you to their page. I've been using WordStream for quite a few years now. We mainly use WordStream for our pay-per-click strategies, just to get ideas from their tools, what's working and what's not working, finding negative keywords and so forth. But here's what you do. You go to wordstream.com/keywords. Okay, once again, wordstream.com/keywords. And then as you scroll down, this is where you can either add a URL, which means another website. And of course, this can be one of your competitors' websites or a national brand, just to get some ideas. Or you can add a search phrase, and then this tool will give you key phrases similar to the search phrase that people are looking for. So for example, let's say if I do roof repair this time, and I'll select United States. In categories, I can go down to home and garden. And so here are the search phrases related to roof repair. Now, this also shows the competition, and this tool also shows the search in Bing, not just Google, but also Bing. So from here, you can start looking for phrases or keywords that have less competition. For example, roof leak repair, low competition. Flat roofers, roof patch, which means you can use the phrase roof patch for your on-page optimization, for a blog post and so forth. Flat roof repair, that's a good one. And then you can also see the competition in Bing. Fix roof leak. That's a really good search phrase. Of course, it has less searches as well. But then at the same time, like I said before, if you work on long tail key phrases, if you work on search phrases that may have less competition, it'll help you rank on page 1 of Google faster. And as you start to rank faster in long-term search phrases, you can also then start looking into ranking higher in short tail search phrases. So let's try another one. How about plumber? And I'll change from United States and I'll use New York. So here's what we see in state of New York. Search phrases related to plumber. Local plumbers seem to have low competition. Emergency plumber near me. Best plumbers near me. And so you get an idea. This is a free keyword tool that you can use, wordstream.com/keywords. Or you can simply go to Google and look up WordStream keyword tool and click on the first organic link. This is where it'll bring you. Okay, and like I said before, you can also add a website here, a domain here, and that can be one of your competitors, or that can be a company that is a national brand in your industry, just to see what they are doing. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.